We're back with another food review video, and in today's collection we have the Golden Harvest collection from Krispy Kreme donuts. And these donuts, they've been through a little bit of a rough time, I'm not gonna lie. We got them a couple days ago. We've had it in the refrigerator. We've been really busy, okay? So they might look a little sweaty. Some of them got a little crushed, unfortunately. But here's what they look like. These flavors, I am super excited about these. Some of the most delicious sounding flavors to me. And one of them even has a little oatmeal cookie on top. I'm pretty excited to get into that.
That's the one I'm excited for, right there.
I want the sugar. I want the one with all of that sugar.
Yeah, okay. Getting started with these donuts
I
today.
just want to punch a hole inside of it.
You just want to punch a hole inside of it?
So it looks like a glazed donut.
You want to punch a hole inside of it so it looks like a glazed donut, huh?
Yeah, because I love glazed donuts.
We know Talon loves a good glazed donut. He is no
Sorry, I had to put the dog outside. She kept trying to get to the camera.
It's fine. Okay, all right. Getting started here. Let's start with this.
No.
Oh, Talon wants to start with this filled donut here. Which one do we have here, John?
Let's see here. Spice apple filled donut tossed with cinnamon sugar apple cider flavor filling.
That sounds delicious. You know, I love me some apple filled donuts of any kind, really. Apple flavor all the way. What do you want to try? This one next?
Let's see here. That is the salted caramel cheesecake donut topped with swirls of cheesecake, buttercream, and dulce de leche salted caramel crunch.
Doesn't that sound delicious, you guys? Oh my God, the salted caramel, the dulce de leche. Oh my God, sounds good. All right, going into the glazed.
Let's see here. This is the maple buttercream donut topped with maple buttercream and fall sprinkles.
Looks delicious. I know Talon's gonna love that one, huh? He loves him a good glazed donut.
With some sprinkles. Oh yeah, he loves both of those.
All right, getting into this oatmeal
Cream pie donut. This is one I'm excited about.
oatmeal cream pie donut.
With white cream filling, cookie dough icing, streusel topping, a dollop of white cream filling, and a mini oatmeal cookie.
Ooh, little oatmeal cookie on top there. A lot of people diss the oatmeal cookie, but I happen to love oatmeal cookies, especially if it's a good one. Now, there have been some bad ones. If you make them dry, they're kind of not that great, but, you know. All right, Talon, which one are we getting started with today? The apple-filled. Talon wants to go for
Spiced
that.
apple-filled donut.
Spiced apple-filled donut. I always forget to get paper towels. Every time. Every gosh darn time. What are we doing? We half in these? We quarter in these? Look at that filling in there too.
I don't know, half of it.
Let me show you guys this spiced apple filling in there. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? My goodness. I am ready.
I like me a good filled donut.
I know, me too. Sounds great. Here you go, Bubs.
Me too.
And just a cinnamon and sugar toss on top of it. That sounds really good, actually.
All right, let's get into this donut. Oh my God.
Tastes like an apple pie.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
Mm.
Wow.
That is delicious. That sugar filling on the sugar,
Does it
not
taste
filling,
like
but
glazed donut?
it does kind of. I like the sugar topping.
Yeah.
The sugar sprinkle
It
topping.
tastes like a fully glazed donut.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, that's a good one, you guys.
That's like a straight apple pie right there. That's
I'm
really
already
good.
going to start off by giving that a 10. I love it.
Yeah.
10.
10.
All right, which one are we trying next, Talon?
Sprinkle, glazed
right.
sprinkles. Huh?
Going with the glazed.
This is the maple buttercream donut.
Oh, I love me a good maple donut, let me tell ya. Goodness gracious. Ain't nothing better than a good old maple donut. Talon? Let's get into it.
Surprisingly, these are still very fresh. They're cold,
Yeah,
but they're still
cold. They look a little wet because we got them out of the fridge. Got a little bit of condensation, but who cares?
Yeah.
It still tastes good.
Mmm.
Mmm.
That maple's good.
It's really good.
It's not overpowering.
Is the maple frosting as well?
Yeah.
Really good, you guys.
It's a maple buttercream. That's on top.
It's really good.
It's just the right amount of maple. It's not overpowering.
These are great fall flavors, I think, that they chose in this box.
Yeah.
So far, so good. I'm loving it.
The salted caramel.
Talon, you want to go for the salted caramel or the oatmeal cream pie? Salted caramel?
The salted caramel cheesecake dough.
All right, going for the salted caramel
Looks like you can see salt on top of it.
cheesecake donut. It's got a little bit of that dulce de leche in there. Am I saying it right? Am I butchering it? I don't know.
Dulce de leche.
Dulce de leche. Dulce delicious, eh? We're like dulce delicious, eh, huh? All right, let's get into this donut. You ready to try it? Oh, you ate the rest of that maple. You liked it, huh, Talon?
Now this caramel, the salt in it,
Yeah.
very balanced. It's a very
So
balanced.
good.
I took a bite out of the top.
It's good, isn't it?
It's good because it's not overly sweet. It's very balanced.
It is. Yeah. Guys, this fall box, I'm telling you.
So far, I haven't gotten anywhere under a 10 so far. with
Me
these
neither.
donuts.
They're great.
This is probably one of the best ones we've ever reviewed.
I was going to say the same thing. This is one of the best boxes we've ever tried.
You guys I might want to go out and get these. I believe they're out until the 29th of September.
Yeah. All right, that leaves us with the oatmeal cream pie donut with a little oatmeal cookie on top. Ready? Let's cut this baby.
Ooh.
That looks good.
You got a good amount of filling in there.
Yeah, it does. There you go.
Can I have a nice
Talon
slice of
boy?
that?
Yeah, let's try this one first, though. Ready? This is the last one. He's just eating the cookie off the top of it. All right, ready? Oatmeal cream pie.
Oatmeal cream pie.
Oh my god.
So the cookie. The cookie.
It's good, huh?
The cookie's what the delicious this is coming from.
You like the cookie?
The cookie is who the deliciousness is coming
This one's a little more on the sweeter side.
It is on the sweeter side, but
Really good.
the cream with the oatmeal cookies gives you that oatmeal kind of cookie vibe, like
Yeah. Yeah.
right off the bat.
Oh my gosh.
Other dog.
Guys, I would have to
really
agree.
wanting the camera.
This really is one of the best boxes we've ever tasted. Hands down. What was your guys' favorite, you'd say, out of the whole collection? What do you think, Talon? Which one's your favorite? Talon likes the maple buttercream with the sprinkles on there. That's his favorite. I would say this is probably one of my favorites as well. Really, really good flavors on that donut.
Can I get that school?
What do we want to give the #1 place? What do we think is the best?
I have a feeling we're all going to come up with a different best one. I think you're probably going to say the
I
cheesecake.
think the best is the box.
Yeah, I really like the salted caramel
The best.
cheesecake.
And my favorite was the spiced apple.
Box.
You like the spiced apple? Talon like the maple
Mom,
buttercream? What?
Mom. The best donut is the box.
The best donut is the box? The whole box, huh? The whole box full of donut. Oh, he's just eating the box.
Pretending like I'm eating it.
All right, I'd give actually all 3 of the first donuts we tried a 10.
Yeah.
All 3. So the apple filled, 10. The maple buttercream, 10. And then the salted caramel cheesecake, 10. I would only give this one a lower rating, the oatmeal cream pie, because of the sweetness. It was just a bit much there with the extra whipped topping and the extra cookie on top. All together, all that sweetness, it was a bit sweet for me. Still a good donut, but a little bit on the sweet side. So, oh my gosh, these were delicious, you guys. I am so glad we got to go out and try this box. You guys, go out and get you one of these. It's really, really good. If you're going to the office, bring them for your friends. If you're having a family get-together, grab this box up, bring them to your family functions. Delicious, delicious box. we've got another video coming up. As usual, we're going to, I will bring it up again, the Queen Mary this weekend, this Saturday.
For Dark Harbor.
Yep, Dark Harbor. It's going to be really, really exciting. I'm going to put out a really good video about that one. I'm so excited about that video, you guys. So stay tuned for future videos. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching, you guys. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
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 Subscribe. Don't forget the bell.
Don't forget to click that notifications bell. Ding.